TradingView has a built-in tab dedicated entirely to community-built indicators, and here's how to find them. It's super simple. Simply open up a new tab on TradingView by clicking on the plus button right here. As you can see, I have one pulled up here. You might not see the community indicators tab here, so what you have to do is go to the bottom right, head over to individual tools, scroll down until you get to community and then indicators, and then favorite it. Once you favorite it, it'll pop up here, so just click and then you'll pop up on this page. You can see that there's a lot here, so the way you filter through here is by going on popular, editors picks, or you can even go check the people you're following. Let's go back to popular. Now, you can see that you can look at strategies, indicators, or libraries, or everything at once. You can also filter by if the Pine script is open source or not, which is just the code that these people use to make indicators. You can also look at the most recent ones or the most popular ones. Now, a good way to tell if an indicator actually works is by looking at the comments or by looking at how many boosts it has. The higher boosts, typically the better the indicator. Let's look at this volume weighted support and resistance zones. You can read more about it just by scrolling down. We can see it has 528 boosts, so it should be pretty good. Let's try it out. It's super simple. Simply click Use on Chart. Awesome. Now we have it on our chart and we can play around with it. Have a great day, guys.